In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to BMO Harris Bank login. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or search box, type BMO Harris Bank login. This helps you quickly find the official sign-in page without hunting through menus. You'll know you're in the right place when the result shows BMO's official domain and a secure padlock icon in the address bar. Always double check the web address before entering any information to protect yourself from look-alike sites. Now, select the top official result to open the BMO Harris Bank online banking login page. Give the page a moment to load. It should display a simple sign-in form with fields for your user ID and password. If anything looks off, like pop-ups asking for unusual information, close the tab and try again from a trusted search. In the user ID field, carefully enter the exact ID you registered with the bank. Take your time and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after your entry, especially if you've copied and pasted. If your browser suggests a saved user ID, confirm it's yours before selecting it, and avoid using autofill on shared computers. Next, move to the password field and type your password exactly as created. Passwords are typically case sensitive, so check that caps lock is off and that you're using the correct characters and symbols. If you use a password manager, this is a good place to let it fill the field for accuracy, but only on a device you trust. Below the fields, you may see a Remember Me option. Turn this on only if you're on a private, secure device that no one else can access. This feature helps speed up future logins by remembering your user ID, but it should never be enabled on public or shared computers for your safety. When everything looks correct, click the Sign In button. If your bank has enabled additional verification, you may be prompted for a one-time code or to confirm your identity through a trusted device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete that step. If your credentials don't work, look for the password or user ID recovery links on the page or contact the bank's support through official channels. Once you're in, consider bookmarking the login page for next time and remember to sign out when you're done, especially if you're not on your personal device. Keeping your browser and security software up to date will also help ensure a smooth, secure login experience.